Everyone, and welcome to break 4510 for the 2021 Topps Archive 6 Series Active Player Edition card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Wednesday, March 10th, 2021. It's 10:30 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:30 p.m. Central Time, and 7:30 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Ice Chef around 2 spots. Ravishing Rob 2, Josh 2, Rules with 1, CL 3, Mercury Trading 1, Titan 1, Halls of Stuff 1, LE with 2, Ship 1, LEWW with 5, Hit Squad 2, Patrick 2, Vegas 3, Cat with 2 spots. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams to break. Ice Chef around on top, Cat bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky numbers 7. LE on top, Hit Squad on the bottom. LE with the Diamondbacks Braves, Ship with the Orioles, CL Red Sox, Rules with the Cubs, Vegas White Sox, Mercury Trading Reds, Patrick Indians, CL Rockies, Halls of Stuff with the Tigers, Vegas with the Astros, Josh with the Royals, LE Angels, Titan Dodgers, Cat with the Marlins, Ravishing Rob with the Brewers, LE Twins, Cat Mets, CL Yankees, Vegas Athletics, LE Phillies, Patrick Pirates, Ice Chef around Padres, Giants, Josh Mariners, LE Cardinals, Hit Squad Rays, LE Rangers, Ravishing Rob Blue Jays, and last but not least, Hit Squad with Washington. We have Lance McCullers, 5 out of 49. Houston Astros. Very nice. Houston Astros. Nice. Who has the Houston Astros? Going to Vegas. Congrats, Vegas. That was 4510 in the 2021 Topps Archive 6 Series Active Player Edition card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in the autograph 8x10. And up next is 4525 for the 2021 Gold Rush Baseball Value Pack. Thanks.